Good day, everybody. Today we're going to do lesson plan 14, grade 6, term 2. And the topic is lines of symmetry. It links to worksheet 38 in the DBE book. Then we're going to go back to the lesson plan. You can pause then here at the caps and have a look at that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at the resources and the dictionary. Go and read through it for background knowledge to help the learners. Also look at the did you know question. It's time to pause then. Okay, let's then carry on with the mental mathematics today. So you're going to ask the 10 questions. So what we have here is we have single digits, units multiplied by multiples of 10. Maybe you just need to help them with the first one. And then what we do is we ask the 10 questions, we pause, and then we come back and we're going to mark it. Okay, let's then start with the introduction of the lesson. So the line of symmetry, you can show the child or the learners this picture and say, do you see the symmetry, and explain it. And then what we're going to look at this flower. With reflection symmetry, we use one shape that is divided by a line of symmetry. And then what you can do is you can just draw a line of symmetry on here. If you're on your interactive board, otherwise the child can just copy the flower and then draw a line of symmetry or make his or her own flower. Okay, I want you to pause at this activity or the introduction and quickly do this. Okay, welcome back. So the concept development. So what we do is when we look at reflection symmetry, it's sometimes called line symmetry or mirror symmetry. Remember, reflection symmetry and reflection, those two are different. We will do the reflection at a later stage. So what we're going to do is, as a teacher, you can draw these shapes on the board, or learners at home, you could just copy these on a piece of paper. And then what we need to see is which have a line of symmetry. So we're going to draw then and show the lines of symmetry. So it's that line, dotted line, that will divide the shape exactly into half, and it's then got a mirror image of each other. So, I mean, the triangle is easy to see, but this one will not have a line of symmetry. So I want you to pause and do this activity. Again, is if you don't understand a line of symmetry so well, there's a very good site, Maths is Fun, MATHS is FUN, so mathsisfun.com. So I want you now to do then the worksheet. Here are very nice examples of lines of symmetry. Here you can see it's not a line of symmetry. What about this one? I always say the best is to go and cut out a rectangle and then fold it on the line of symmetry to see if it's a mirror image of that. So is it or not? Please be very careful when you answer this one. This one, does it have a line of symmetry? And then here again. So here we drew the half of the shape and the line of symmetry, and you need to do the other half. Here you can then complete the problem solving. Then you're going to do all the exam or test paper questions, and then we can have a remediation session for those learners that didn't understand the activity. Then what you're going to do is, if the learners can do the activity, you can tick it all yeses. If you got no's, you need to revise, revisit certain activities, or call us at SA Teacher.